That's a problem. So what has always baffled me is why we have so many options in toilet paper. I just want a cheap one that doesn't feel like sandpaper. Is it too much to ask? Problem solved. I'm going to have lunch with Jackson. Just me, nobody else is coming. They don't want to be in the video. We're in Zetland. Tanya's not in this video. And we are going to have lunch with an awesome friend named Jackson.
We might want to go back to that other cafe and not have Mexican.
Yeah, we saw a really cool cafe on the way here, and now we're kind of like a bit off put by the idea of having Mexican. We want to go back to the cafe. Maybe after. Discoveries of the day. We have
just an eyelash.
A pube. How does it make you feel, mate? Intrigued. So Eden Cafe in Zetland, it's the bomb. You gotta come down here if you're in town.
Seacrest out.
It's been great hanging out with you, bro.
It's good to see you.
Ciao.
Timbo.
I've been trying to get this tree stump out for months, and I think I'm finally getting somewhere. It's like my white whale. Thus, we have destroyed the white whale, upon which much angst has greeted me every day when I've come home, and you were there for the finale. So after a day in the garden, what you've got to do is actually a barbecue. It's the only way to finish a long Saturday, and so we're doing a clean out of the crisper tonight, and what we're going to be eating is just a bunch of vegetables. No meat, I'm sorry. So if you're a carnivore, you need to look away right now. The sheer beer I made at Christmas time, I made it as a gift for everybody. I decided to make presents for everybody this Christmas, but didn't think it was one of my better home brews, so I decided not to gift it. A couple months later, it's actually top shelf, at least 9 out of 10 from IGN. And I'm glad I kept it. Main part of dinner tonight is going to be these big portobello mushrooms. All I do with them is a bit of balsamic vinegar, a bit of oil, lots of salt and pepper, and I just do them on the barbecue, and then I slice them up once they're cooked. They're juicy, don't dry them out, they're delicious, and they you can make a burger with them and just chuck them in instead of the meat patty. They're actually pretty decent. Not a beef burger, but still pretty decent. That's the end of the day.